This is the Spyderco Lil Native KnifeJoy exclusive. It offers a 20 CV, 6.1 cm steel blade with satin finish, G10 neon green handles with nested liners, compression lock, and a deep carry wire clip. This knife offers very good edge retention and exceptional corrosion resistance. It's compact, lightweight, and convenient for one-handed operation. You can thumb flick it, reverse flick it, or open it through the Spyderco hole. Here it is next to a normal sized Swiss Army knife for comparison. Let's get a closer look.